Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Buddy Code channel. We're solving SAT maths questions in the domain algebra. The difficulty level is medium. If you would like to know how I've selected these questions, you can go back to the first video in this playlist. Let's start reading the question now. In the xy plane, line K has a slope of 5 and a y-intercept of 0, -35. What is the x-coordinate of the x-intercept of line K? So I'll give you a minute to pause the video and start solving this question now. Okay, let's start solving this question. So they're asking us about just a minute. Okay, so they're asking us about the x-coordinate of the x-intercept of line K. Do we have line K here? Yes and no. They haven't really given us the equation. However, we do have the parts of the equation of line K. So the general equation or function of a line is y equals mx plus b. All right. And here the slope is m. And they have given it as 5. So let me write that here. Y equals 5. X plus the y-intercept is 0, -35. So I want to tell you something that the y-intercept, okay, -35, correct? Okay, when we have the y-intercept here, x is 0, okay? Any y-intercept on the y-axis, correct? That's why it's the y-intercept. It's intersecting the y-axis. Any point there will have 0 as its x-coordinate, okay? Anyhow, let's go back to our question now. So the y-intercept is -35. So I'm going to remove the plus sign here and write it as, plus sign here and write it as -35. Yeah, okay, so we got our line here. Great. Now, let's see what the question is. What is the x-coordinate of the x-intercept of line K? So let's find out the x-intercept now. Like I said, how the y-intercept has x always as 0. And the x-intercept, y is always 0. So any point here will have y as 0. So let's use that knowledge in our equation, in our problem here. Let's say y is 0 because that's when we get the x-intercept. 5x minus 35. Now let's start solving this as a normal equation now. So 0 plus 35 equals 5x. 35 equals 5x. Let me scroll down a little bit. 35 divided by 5 equals x equals 7. Great. The x-intercept is 7, 0, and the x-coordinate is 7. And that's your answer. Now you could use this to, you could use Desmos to solve this question now. Let's start solving it. Okay, so I've typed in the equation that we formed using the question. Y equals 5x minus 35. You need that in Desmos. And here, they're asking us about the x-coordinate of the x-intercept, correct? If you click on the line here, or if you click here, you would get 2 gray dots. The first one is the y-intercept, which is intersecting the y-axis. The other one is the x-intercept intersecting the x-axis. So you can get your point really quickly here, and which is 7 here. Okay, so instead of solving it on paper, you can use Desmos. It's pretty quick. All right, thank you.